To begin, slice 1 large onion. Peel 6 cloves of garlic. Now, there are 2 ways that you can make this pulled pork. You could either use a slow cooker or an instant pot. If you are using a slow cooker, set the temperature to low and 8 hours. If you're using an instant pot, set it to pressure cook high 1 hour. For this recipe, we are using a 6-pound bone-in pork shoulder. If you can find the pork shoulder boneless, even better. Place the pork shoulder in the instant pot, followed by the sliced onion, the garlic cloves, you can just put them in whole, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon of liquid smoke, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 cup of barbecue sauce. You may use the barbecue sauce of your choice. 1 cup of chicken broth, 1 tablespoon of kosher salt, and about 1 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper or to taste. Now, close the lid and pressure cook on high for 1 hour. Meanwhile, thinly slice 4 cups of cabbage. Transfer the sliced cabbage into a mixing bowl. Soak the cabbage in hot water to get it nice and soft. Add a pinch of salt and set it aside. Then thinly slice 1 red onion. Transfer the sliced onion into a small mixing bowl. Soak the onion in vinegar and set it aside. Now, let's make a sauce. In a small mixing bowl, add 5 tablespoons of ketchup. And since we have picky eaters at home, I'm making 2 versions of the sauce. You could either make the sauce with ranch dressing or mayo. Being that said, to one of the bowls, we're adding 5 tablespoons of ranch dressing. Go ahead and mix until evenly incorporated. And to the other bowl, we are adding 5 tablespoons of mayo. Then mix to incorporate. Keep the sauce in the fridge until ready to serve. Once the Instant Pot has released the pressure on its own, go ahead and open the lid. Transfer the pork onto a large tray. Then, using 2 forks, go ahead and shred it just like so. Once the pulled pork has been shredded, go ahead and pour 1 cup of barbecue sauce. Using the same fork, get the barbecue sauce into the meat. Ooh. And to serve it, place some of the pulled pork onto a burger bun. Add some of the sauce that we created. Use whichever sauce you prefer, the one with mayo or the ranch dressing one. Drain the water from the cabbage and add some shredded cabbage on top. Drain the vinegar from the onion and place a few slices on top. It looks like now you are ready to eat. There you guys have it, my go-to pulled pork recipe. Enjoy! Buen provecho! Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one. Bye! Yeah!